stupid loud. Everywhere, every single platform. If I launch my after so many tests, right, after running the music, this amplifier, I don't need even the 10% of this the bass, right? Alright, this is 1500 watts CDP-1500D version, right? What we're gonna do, Hyanka always take care about us. They're putting multiple boxes. Nice. Why is amplifier so heavy? We have a bass knob. Bass knob is plastic. It runs on the RG35 instruction manual. Let's see how great the instruction manual are. You guys gonna show us how to run the speaker cables for the newbies, first time installers. All right, yes, we got those, we got that, yeah, and perfect. Always I want the instruction manual how to run 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm version. Great job, guys. Why this amplifier so heavy? This is a beast. Oh, this is solid build. Look this, there is no bang 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 sound like other amplifiers. Of course, the back is gonna be open. It's a lot. This is how the cheap amplifier sounds on the front side, but this one sounds solid. All right, quality is good. Fit and finish, all the screws. As you can see, you're gonna run here as a protection lights, a power light, 2 RCA cables, bass boost, level adjustments on the side, remote input, and look at these parts. This is my thumb, right? You can run, I think it's 4 gauge without any issue. Run, and this is a speaker output. Of course, it's gonna be mono channel, but you can use 2 or the single bridge. It's just a 1 out. So what do you want? Class D amplifier. Let's connect this amplifier and take a look. All right, let me check this one. It's after so many tests, right? After running the music, this amplifier a little warm. It's not hot, it's just a warm. All right, and the bass knob, if you're using the LC adapter, I recommend that you use the from the subwoofer. But if you have a nice LC adapter, you can use that the bass knob also. So it's going to be like a different version with the amplifier gain versus amplifier volume, all that stuff, right? Input volume, the exit volume. So I'm going to cover on the next video how to tune these amplifiers, all that stuff. Yeah, one thing I forgot, Atoto. This amplifier has bass boost, as you can see, bass boost, right? The entire time I was doing at the 0, but you can put for 112 dB or the 6 dB or 0. I was running at 0. So if you put 12 dB, it's gonna get a lot louder. So if you have a weak signal for the amplifier, you can do the bass boost. You can just lift it up, and you're gonna have a lot more the signal is going inside the amplifier, so you're gonna get more output. But at the 0, 50% amplifier gain, 50% on my LC adapter. All that stuff is like a 50-50, and the volume on the radio is 50, and it's too much bass already for this kind of like daily or bassy driving. I think for me it's like an 8-inch version is more than enough, but 15 inch is too much. But if you have a bass head, you want a lot of bass, this is the speaker, this is the setup for you at the budget, but it's over delivers for the price you guys pay. See that? What is this? This is to make this one right here like that. Fine. Either big for some reason. This I did many videos from Hyanka. I'm gonna ask my pro guys watching my videos, guys, take a look inside and let us know what you guys think about these components in the Hyanka amplifiers. One of the guys was commenting when I did the Hyanka video. Guys say, oh, this company, it sells on Temu. They will sell everywhere, every single platform. If I launch my product, I will try to sell everywhere. So as you can see, internals is good, the wires runs is good. I could do much better quality in these ones, but hey, for the price I think it's overkill already. Okay, just to guys show you what's going on here. bottle gone inside. That's gone inside, man. So it's my base tester is gone. I'm gonna go to inside the vehicle now. All right, level, I will lift around 75% here, but I have another base level inside the vehicle. All right. So this is, I'm running around 50% my volume, right? Let's make like exactly 50%. Okay. I'm gonna do exactly 50% here. The bass sound from the amplifier gain is 50%, but I'm gonna show you the next level and the future level, how to set the amplifier right, combining with your LC adapters, right? But now it's gonna be just a 50%. This one is 0. I'm gonna add a little bit now. I don't know who needs that much bass, but it's some bass heads, they will love it. I think to get the same amount of bass, the Rockford Fosgate I was running with the built-in amplifier, Rockford Fosgate PDX something, right? I think to get the exactly same amount of the bass, you need at least 5 of them. Those Rockford Fosgates not even come close. For example, this Hyanka with the amplifier, with the installation, with the setup, if you go to the wire kit, like a kicker wire kits I believe it's a 4 gauge, right? I put the links on the description. All together, it's gonna be still cheaper than a Rockford Fosgate. Even you use a single 15-inch the box, like it's gonna be half of the box what I have. Bro, it's like 5-6 times more bass. I just lift my the volume for 75%. I think the outside is gonna be all rock and roll. I don't want to destroy my truck. But trust me, like this is new truck. I like it. I don't want to destroy it. I don't need even the 10% of the bass, right? It's too much. Why you guys need the 2 subwoofers like that? Even the C panels, it's vibrating like crazy. The most likely the camera is not gonna pick it up a lot of those vibrations. We're gonna repeat that. It's not a healthy test, but if you guys in the market for this kind of stuff, this is an Amazon. I put the links. It's Hyanka, right? When I did the small 6.5 speakers, that speaker was destroying a lot of expensive, you know, 5-star speakers, and it was a half price, and you know it's like a 45%. Like it's more expensive speakers that was destroying. Now these subwoofers and now these amplifiers, as you can see, this is the unboxing part. The build, fit and finish quality is good on the amplifier also. Internals, you guys comment below what you guys think. And if you want the more test, I can't imagine what's gonna happen if I use a 2 15-inch subwoofers like this. Like it's stupid loud.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
And I did a couple of videos. I run with the timpani audio, but timpani audio start kicking protection right away after like 5 minutes playing. So watch my other videos. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.